What is up, you guys? If you're new here, it's your girl Mara Moore, and if you want to see how I achieve this soft subtle look, then keep on watching.
Yes, it's me again. Yeah. And I'm back.
So after washing and moisturizing my face, I went ahead and did my brows, and now it is time for the primer. So I'll be using the e.l.f. Mineral Infused Face Primer, mainly on my T-zone area. For foundation, I go in with these two products here for the perfect shade, and I just blend this out evenly on my face and neck. So I'll be using these two concealers, Chestnut and Fawn from LA Girl Pro, and I'll be placing this under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my chin. For contour, I just take this Vital lipstick, which is a really nice shade for women of color. So I'll be taking the Laura Mercier setting powder in the translucent shade, and I'll be placing this wherever I have highlighted. Just to get rid of the excess setting powder, I'll be going in with the True Match face powder and just wiping the excess away. So to bring back some life and color into the skin, I'll be using the Revolution Glow Bronzer in medium dark and placing this wherever I have contoured. For extra color on the cheeks, I'll be using this Sleek blush in Flushed. Eyeshadow, I kept it really simple, just going in with the Modern Renaissance eyeshadow palette, and this shade is very similar to the blush that I used, and it's just very light and feminine and soft. Just to create more definition in the eyes, I'll be taking a black eyeliner and just placing this on my waterline, as well as going in with some mascara on my bottom lashes. This is my favorite lip combo, just a nude look. So I'll be outlining my lips with a brown lip pencil and then going in with this shade here in Desert Suede, and then over the top of that, just some clear lip gloss. And this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to check out my previous videos here. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.